Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you. Yeah, good everyone. I go by name Skyward. If you've been following my videos, you will know I'm an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online from home. Yes, this is my own personal account. It's been a while I display my own personal account as I'm working on my students' account. Yes, because sometimes I manage accounts for my students, and remember that there's no extra benefit for me managing accounts for you, because what I'm going to do is also what you will be taught in my video course. So this is my own personal account. I'm not display it for a while now because I'll be displaying my student account man 22. If you been following our video, you will know this is my account. So as I'm helping people to make money, I'm also making money from clickbank affiliate marketing, and that is why I'm trying to extend the opportunity to people out there that know the value of great results like this. So as I've always been saying in my videos, that affiliate marketing can only get better when you have a reliable traffic source. Yes, when you have a reliable traffic source, a traffic system whereby people can access your link and they can get the products they want through your link, and that can be done only when you promote to targeted traffic and you have a strong traffic system. Also, in my video course, I'm going to be teaching you how or the products you can select that will get you stable customers. Yes, customers that when they buy from you today, they will also, there's a high probability that they are going to buy again. So that is one of the method or ways by which you can have excellent results like the one you can see on the screen. So you always remember that I have a software for sale, and my software works by gathering more than 2,000 organic leads online daily and promoting your link or affiliate products to this organic leads for you to get commission. Yes, and with my software I'm going to earn daily commission like the one you can see on the screen. These are excellent results: $600, $700, $500. Yes, on a daily basis. So that is how you will earn when you get my software and video course. And remember that you can use my software on any of your affiliate marketing platform. It's not only applicable to clickbank alone, but you can use the software to get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform like JVizu, Warrior Plus, clickbank and the likes. And it is a free traffic system, which means after you purchase it from me, you don't need to pay any other money to unlock or to activate. It is a free traffic system. You just need to set it up, and every day you need to start it up and to get it working, and it will extract and promote your affiliate link or product to the organic leads online for you to get great commission. And many of my students know that I'm always accessible. All of them know that I'm always accessible. I'm going to guide you till you start earning. So that is my joy. The success of my students is my joy. So to get the software now, contact me on my Gmail at skyway7@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyway7@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get the software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, once again I go by the name Skyward, and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.